Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, let's go for the settings. After that we have to click on the security, tap on the screen lock, and for example we can set up a pattern. So draw the pattern, click next, draw it one more time, click confirm, and right now we can change the notifications on the lock screen. So I'm going to don't show notifications at all, click done, and right now we can go to lock the device and check how our new lock method looks and how it works, of course. So here the pattern is required right now. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.